How can you use Tome AI on mobile? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to open your browser, then search for Tome right there. Of course, from the search results, open the official website. Then from here, you need to wait for a little bit for it to load up. Make sure you are logged in. You can still use it from here, but you cannot use it fully like you usually would. So you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From this menu, tap on desktop site. So we need to switch to the desktop version of the website. It will be a little bit zoomed out, so you need to zoom in to be able to make actions properly. So you need to tap on or zoom in and then tap on create at the top right corner of the screen. So let's do that. We zoom in, swipe, tap on create, wait for a couple of seconds. Wait for it to load up, of course. And from here, you can start using the Tome AI like you usually would, just like that, as you can see here. Awesome, right? Now that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe, it really does help the channel. And thank you for watching.